If you want to know the purest form of love on this earth, look into the eyes of a child. Hi guys, and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. Today we are making something to suit the month of February, the month of love. Beetroot pancakes and heart-shaped sausages. Without talking too much, let's get cooking. So for our pancakes, we are going to be needing rolled oats, some steamed beetroot, date sugar, but you can use any sugar of your choice, some milk, baking powder, salt, an egg, some lemon juice, and olive oil. So we're going to start by mixing our lemon juice with our milk. So this is homemade buttermilk. You can walk into some supermarkets and find buttermilk, but I didn't have access to some, so I had to make my own at home. So we'll set this aside and make our heart-shaped sausages. For that, we are going to be needing one sausage, any vegetables of your choice, some salt, oil, and an egg with some toothpicks. So let's shape our sausages into two hearts. If you're new here, I am so grateful you clicked on my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And to my returning subscribers, the OGs, I am so grateful to always have you back here. This process takes a little tact, but it is so easy, trust me. So we are going to be using our toothpicks to secure the ends of our hearts so that in the process of frying, we do not lose the heart shapes. So we'll go ahead and set this aside and prep our egg. So into a measuring cup, I'm going to break my egg, add in my chopped vegetables and salt and beat together. So the measuring cup is just so that it's easy for me to pour my egg out when I'm frying. You're going to see that in a bit. So I'll go ahead and grease my frying pan and then place in my sausages side by side. Then I'll pour in my eggs into my sausages. So don't worry, the leakages are not avoidable. So when it's done or you are in the process of turning, you can just clean that up. So I'll just cover this on low heat for about 3 minutes. After that, I'll take off the lid and then turn my sausages over. So you can see that I'm trying to clean up my hearts. After the metal me boase na madani me sausages no. So allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then take them off the fire. But before then, your leftover eggs, of course you can fry that as well. Now let's make our pancakes. So this is my rolled oats, which is now oats flour. I'll add in my baking powder and salt and mix all my dry ingredients together. Then I'll set this aside and get a blender and pour in my steamed beetroot and egg together with my date sugar. I'll go ahead and blend till smooth and then I'll add it to my dry ingredients. Stir it in a bit and then add in my homemade buttermilk. So like I said, you can walk into any of these big supermarkets and then find buttermilk for this recipe. So because I used oats flour, it is the buttermilk that will help this pancake fluff up. So please keep that in mind. So mix everything up until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Once that is done, we are going to go ahead and fry our pancakes. So again, you grease your frying pan with some oil. So I'm using a non-stick pan to make this process easier. And then scoop in some of your butter. And then, like I always say, allow the bubbles to form on the surface before flipping your pancakes. That is the only way you know your pancakes are ready to be turned over. Please cook this on low heat so you do not burn your pancakes. Once you flip, let the other side fry for about 2 minutes and take off the fire. So show my bloomers some love this month of February by trying these amazing recipes at home. You can drizzle some honey or maple syrup on your pancakes, but my boys had it with some juice and I thought the sweetness was just too much. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave your girl a thumbs up and please show me some love by sharing this video on any of your social media platforms. I am so grateful you took the time out to watch me. Until I see you again in my next video, share some love and always remember to keep blooming.